Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wistia uploads for marketing video post-production step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Wistia's official website. Log in to your Wistia account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the upload button prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click the upload button to start the uploading process. Next, select the video file you wish to upload from your device. Ensure your video is in a supported format, such as MP4 or MOV. After selecting your file, wait for the upload progress bar to fill completely. Once the upload is finished, you will see your video appear in the dashboard. Hover over the newly uploaded video and select the Edit option. In the editing menu, add a title and description relevant to your marketing video. Next, scroll down to the thumbnail section to customize your video's preview image. You can choose an auto-generated thumbnail or upload a custom image. After selecting your thumbnail, move on to the Settings tab. Here, you can adjust your video's privacy settings according to your audience. If you plan to use any call-to-action features, find and configure those in the settings. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Save Changes to update your video. To share your video, navigate to the Sharing tab. Copy the embed code or sharing link provided for your video. Next, paste the embed code into your website or blog where you want the video to appear. If using the sharing link, distribute it through your preferred marketing channels. To track performance, return to the Wistia dashboard and select your video. Use the analytics tools to monitor viewer engagement and performance metrics. Adjust your marketing strategies based on viewer data for better results. Your video is now fully uploaded, customized, and ready for post-production marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.